Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to cook beef ribs with potatoes. You only need salt, water, and ribs that I paid $7.14. They are not expensive at all. I'm gonna open the ribs to wash them with fresh water. Then we are going to remove a little bit of fat and let's boil them until gray foam comes out. And then we are going to remove the ribs to wash them again. Remember, they are not cooked at all, okay? In a new water, we're gonna put the clean ribs, guys. And don't forget, cut them to create more space in the cooking pot. Add salt to taste and let it cook for a few minutes until the ribs are cooked. Now let's cook the potatoes. You're gonna need rosemary, fresh or dry, and salt. And we are going to cook them in a microwave. In a plastic bag, place the clean potatoes, a little bit of salt and rosemary. Make a knot in the bag and make some holes in the top. Then take them to cook in the microwave for 10 minutes to 13 minutes. And voila! Here you have a delicious potatoes. In a hot pan, put a little bit of oil with a napkin. And then add the ribs to brown them. This will depend on your taste, as golden as you want, okay? And yep, we are ready to serve. And here I have, guys, a delicious dinner: beef, ribs, potatoes, and salad. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, thumbs up, follow me in my social media, and share this recipe with your friends and family. And she's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has own videos all Saturdays, and she's my partner all Wednesdays with my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.